So Simon said, I see output celebrated as it's an immediate touchable event. An outcome may only be seen days, weeks, months later. How do you practically deal with this time lag when celebrating?
Very good question. In fact, I think I had a slide on that, but I don't think I need the slide. Yeah, so very good point. So there's usually a lag completely, right? And it might be quite long, right? It might, I mean, you do something good for the business. How do you know, or when do you know that's actually positive? That might be months and months down the line, right? At which point you can't tell what caused it, right? So it's impossible to do the link, right? And on top of that, at any one time, there'll be lots of things happening in the company. So you can't tell what's causing this sudden goodness happening. No way, right? So the two things there is that you have lagging indicators, but you have leading indicators too, right? So for example, if you're let's say you want something non-software related, you have a construction site and you want to increase safety. Well, a lagging indicator or measurement is, well, the number of accidents has decreased, right? But once you have that, it's a bit late, right? Because if they go up, right, it's not good. It's after the fact, right? But you could have leading indicators, like, are people using safety equipment, right? That's a leading indicator. It's a proxy, let's say, right? That's another word for it. So you need to have those two indicators, right? And then with the leading indicators, you can then prioritize, right? And say, well, that leading indicator is telling me that we should do X, so let's do more of that, right? And then you have that lag. There's nothing you can do about that lag. The lag is there. It's part of how the business works. And some business are lucky because it's fast. If you're making an Android app and you can see people buying it just like that, then you have a direct link to this, right? But if it's a more complicated business model, you might not.